All right, here's that outdoor shower I built for my wife. I could have built her something simple in one weekend. Instead, I spent half a year making this in my spare time. I'm glad I did. I put the towel rack on the side that gets the most sun. That seems to work. I need to move that palm tree. I bought this door on Craigslist for about 40 bucks. It was still in plastic, so it was in new condition. It was too big though, so I had to cut it to size. I think I did a good job. It opens and closes pretty nice. I primed all the wood with a water-resistant antifungal primer and several coats of really good paint before installing any of it to help with the water resistance. The color of the paint is called Smoky Topaz. I installed this cabinet here so you can put dry clothes and a towel inside before you shower. It's a fully functional shower. It's got hot and cold water and a choice of a shower wand or a rain head. Showering here is nicer than my actual bathroom. The flooring is 1x3s over a sturdy frame of 2x4s. I think it looks good and it's strong enough to hold my weight. All the walls and roof are completely ventilated to help keep it dry. It's got a solar fan and nightlight. You can't see inside from outside, no matter where you are. I guess unless you creep up low to the door, that would be kind of creepy. Oh yeah, and the door has a nice little vanity lock. So you get enough sunlight to see during the day without lighting. But again, you cannot see inside from outside. This protruding box is the heating system, which we don't need it during the summer since the incoming water is warm and it stays that way for a while. It's a gas heater, so I mounted it to a TV mount so I could swing it out of the cabinet. I just don't like the idea of hot propane heater firing up inside of a wooden box. I filtered the water. Helps with the shower heads, keep them clean and running. Once it's turned on, it'll only light up and heat the water if the water's running and shuts off when the water stops.